Come on. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Motorcycle Rewind. Today, we're mobile. We get to help a friend of ours with doing a little bit of work on some of these guys. This is a 74 Honda XL70. This is a Cushman of 59-ish. 1959 Road King. 1959 Road King. We're going to see if we can get it running. And then this one is a 1942 Cushman Auto Glide. That means it's awesome. And this guy, the last of the three, Cushman with a little box.
An electric start.
An electric start, which you gotta love it. So, let's get to work. See if we can get these things going. Okay guys, so we're on the XL70, 1974 XL70. And basically all we really had to do was rebuild this petcock, new seals, everything in. Now we're gonna lay up under here and put it in. That should be it. One way to find out, put fuel in it, see if it all comes pouring out. Yeah. GoPro, stop recording. Let's see if it leaks. Oh, stop. Where are we coming out of? That was quick. Ooh. It's right here.
It's pouring.
So we're getting all the fuel out. Let's try this one more time. See if we can clean more of the engine off. We had a spot on the concrete we had to take care of. We're further along than we were before. The challenge is when you take one apart, and well, when you didn't take it apart, put it back together.
How we doing?
It's good, man. We haven't leaked any fuel lately.
I think that's enough.
I think that should be. Let's see if we turn it on, see if it leaks from anywhere. Looks as though we don't have fuel coming out where it shouldn't. Let's see. I may need to tighten up the bowl a little bit more.
A little leakage?
Well, it's seepy. Well, let's see if we can get this sucker to start. Come on. Here, you want to ride it?
Sure. Is it doing okay?
I think it needs to be run a little bit.
It doesn't need one idle, does it?
Not yet. We may just need to adjust the idle screw a little bit. Sounds a little bit better. This little guy. Yeah, that sounds a little bit better. It needs like a little bit more. There you go. Okay, let's try this little Cushman out, see what we got to do to get it running. We definitely have a jump pack on the battery. We're gonna move we just put some fuel in it. We're gonna put the choke. Thankfully, previous owner put instructions right in here for us. So we're gonna go ahead and close the choke. We'll mesh the brake and turn the key. So let's.
Oh boy, Eric.
I know, I broke it. Oh,
Oh man.
we got to screw this guy in anyway. Why is it trying to run? Oh, is the key stuck on? Let's try this one more time. Give it a little bit of juice. There we go. Let's try closing a little bit more. Okay, we made sure it's got fuel. We made sure the petcock is on. And we've got this charger. We'll have to tune the carburetor, but let's see if it runs now. That's 1.5. I turned it off. Oh, that's why.
Oh yeah, it won't shut off.
Here we go. Yep. We can't get it to shut off, so let's see if we can figure it out. Come on. Let's see. Well, it's got to be one of these, right? No. How is this thing not? Well, switch just went bad.
Switch it bad.
It's gotta be. We're not getting nothing.
You want to kill it?
Yeah,
Make sure to cut the gas off.
yeah. We'll just remember to put it back on. Okay, we got this Cushman to run so good it doesn't want to stop running. So we got it to run so good, it was running perfectly, except our switch kind of crapped out. It just wants to turn on, does not want to turn off. So this is just an auto part switch, you can see. So we're just going to replace that. We'll get that, we'll plug it in, and then we'll be able to turn it on and turn it off. And then we'll take it for a ride down the street so we can actually see what's going on. But it's a cool machine. And the good thing about this thing is it is available, maybe not available for sale. It may be sold. We'll find out soon enough. So we're back with Cushman, the greeny weenie. Monkey vomit green. And we stopped and picked up just a universal. Well, I had the box around here somewhere. Here you go. One of these. We stopped and picked up one of these ignition switch to go in. Comes with loads of keys. And we'll just make it fit in here. So let's just do that right now. Oh, let's turn the fuel on. So it looks as though we got it sorted. You got to reach down here and make sure you turn the fuel on. Make sure you turn the fuel on. We got to put a note.
We went through that yesterday.
Fuel is on. This is there. And then we use one of our 40 keys. Turn this on. Yep. And let's see what happens. Oh. Whoa.
It worked.
That's, you also have to make sure it's out of gear. Okay, let's take this guy for a ride. Figure this out. Okay, let's walk around this unknown year of this Cushman boxcar Willie is what we can call it. You can pull the box off and put a seat on it if you wanted. Really neat electric start, reverse here, reverse, neutral, first and second, 2-speed. All you do, turn the key, let the battery come on. And we just turned the fuel off, but it runs really good. Super cool. Super cool. Horn works. Lights work. Awesome. Gotta love it.
Shoot.
Love when a plane comes together.